What is going on, YouTube? Today, we're going camping. We're going down to Allegany State Park. We're going to go and have a nice, enjoyable weekend. Go fishing. Spend time with family. Should be a fun time. So, tag along for the journey. We're going to have a fun time. All right. See you out there. It's late. Decided to just get set up. We had a long evening getting the tent set up. We're gonna call it a night here and get more adventurous tomorrow. All right. See you in the morning. Morning. I was shivering last night.
I'm so cold that I'm shivering.
And my beautiful wife to the right of me saved me. She's my hero. No evidence of bears. Good there. Molly and I parked underneath an acorn tree. I keep getting these acorns falling out of cars all day. Couple dents. Oh, wonderful. I don't see one. So maybe that's not from the acorn. I don't know. Come on.
What are you doing?
I think you had one dent on your car from an acorn. Yeah, a little tiny one right there. Alright, we're looking good. Got this one set up. It's pretty dry here. Oh, I forgot my waders. Yeah, I would definitely need to go get my waders. That's deep though.
I didn't even bring my waders.
I mean, yeah, I
Well,
mean,
you got heavier line.
I got a heavier line.
That's
what?
what they say, that heavier weight ones with the fish are.
I mean, look at that. Look how fast, look how far I cast out there.
The all-around rod.
Yeah,
And they do, a lot of guys do steelhead.
because that's pretty shallow right there, and
Look
it's
at the weeds out there.
and you got the weeds right there.
That may be why.
Yeah, let me go get them. You want me to snag your hip boots?
Yeah.
All right, guys. We're in this car. Lake is super shallow, so I'm just gonna go snag our hip boots, waders, give it a go. I got follows. I'm getting some fish following this thing. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Little bluegill. Oh no! It's a red gill. Yeah. I use a spider. Let's go. We're not skunked.